This is our friend Pharyn. She was confident she would not get up on a wake surf board, so we brought her out with us, and this is how it went. You ready, Pharyn?
Ready.
Right here. Just sit right here on your butt. Scoot all the way to the edge. I'm not gonna have you go in, I promise. You're good right there, you're right there. Okay, so I teach everybody the same 4-step. So we're gonna pretend right now that this is the board. It's gonna just float out there in the water. Your heels are gonna be on it, kind of like that. You can scoot this way a little bit so your knees are bent, there you go. But your toes are gonna be to the sky like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and it's gonna be 4 steps. The first step, you're gonna push your heels down, which is that way, and the board's gonna flip up on your feet like that. We can't practice right here doing that. We'll practice actually in the water on that one, okay? Okay, and then the second step, you're gonna slide your butt to your heels. You don't do it yet, but you're gonna slide your butt to about right here, to your heels. And then you're gonna point your toes, and then you're gonna stand up. So it'll go like this. I'll say it again. You're going to push your heels down, slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and then stand up, okay? We're gonna practice just the last 3 on this one, okay? Which is slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and stand up. We're gonna practice with the rope. You're gonna hang onto the rope, okay? This one we're gonna practice just the first one, which is me pulling, and you're gonna slide your butt. Just like that. Yep, see how your toes naturally went down?
Yeah.
And then from there you just stand up. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Scoot all the way back. Right about right there, good. Okay, here we go, all the way up this time, you ready? Oh, see how you pulled? Your arms came in like this because you pulled. Don't pull, okay? Everybody pulls. What I want you to do is your arms are out like this, strong and straight. Strong, so you're like here, like I'm ready, it's not gonna let go, but you don't pull here. You pull here, you're not gonna get up. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Go back down. Okay, you're getting a little confused. Remember, right there on that one, your butt didn't even get to here. Your butt got to like barely anything, and then you stood up.
Okay.
Remember, you have to slide your butt all the way to your heels. So as I pull you, you slide to there, and then stand up like that. Okay?
Isn't this gonna be like hyper speed and I'm just... It'll be a little bit fast.
So it actually takes about 3 seconds. Everyone that gets out here and does it, they try to do it too quick. And it's really like, push your heels down, 1/1000. Slide your butt to your heels, 2/1000. Point your toes, 3/1000. Stand up. It's about that long.
Okay.
It's not like this. If you do it like that, it's too quick, okay? Yeah. Remember, your toes are to the sky. Here we go. Just remember to slide your butt and go. Oh, see, you pulled and you tried to stand up too quick. You got to make sure your butt gets to here. Okay? Here we go. Just like that. Okay? We got to do like 3 in a row that are really good. Here we go. Just like that. 2 more. Here we go. Yep. One last one. Oh, you pulled. Yep. You pulled
3 more.
And you tried to stand up.
I got stuck on the first one. My feet weren't up yet. Okay.
All right, here we go. Just like that. 1 more, because I want it 2 in a row. You ready?
Yeah.
Just like that, you'll get up.
Okay.
You can slide in if you want, or hop all the way in, whatever you want to do.
Rip the band
If you, oh, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna pull you over here. We're gonna practice this part real quick. Now that you're cold and a little bit wet, it's gonna be a little tricky, right?
Yeah.
To do this, and you got to remember all the steps that we did. All right, so lay on your back, put your feet up here. I'm gonna put them exactly where I want them, okay?
All right.
Along this edge, about right there, and about right there, okay? Do you want your ring on, or do you want your ring off with your cold fingers?
Oh, good call.
Okay, so that first step, the first step is shove your heels down, and what it is down that way. What's gonna happen, I'm gonna say raise your hands up and shove your heels down. You'll flip like this, okay? See automatically how you went to pull and shove your feet out? The second step next, nope, is you slide your butt like this, and you let the boat do all the work. You don't pull your butt there. I pull and you slide your butt. You get to here, you'll get up, okay? We're gonna do those 2 together because it's a little tricky, okay? So you're gonna have to shove your heels down and then slide your butt, okay? So raise your hands up, put your heels down. See how you stood up? That's what you can't do, okay? That's what you can't do. That's why we're practicing this, okay? Ready, hands up, slide your butt. Nope, see you're pulling, don't pull.
Okay.
Here, let's just practice right here. The board's like this, your legs are gonna be extended a little bit, about like that. When I pull, you slide your butt to here, okay? And slide your butt to here, okay? Okay, now we got to get it together, okay? Which is slide your, or push your heels down and then slide your butt, okay? Here we go. Ready? Raise your hands up. Hold on. You're trying to slide your butt too soon. You got to shove your heels down really hard. Ready? Raise your hands up. Slide your heels. See how you pull? Don't pull. If you pull, you're not going to get up. If I pull, you'll get up.
How did I get my brain to stop?
That's why we're practicing this, okay? Here we go. Hands up. Slide your butt just like that. Perfect. Better, okay? That time you didn't pull. I'm sorry, I'm gonna flip this. I have the board the wrong way for you. I'm opposite. There we go. Yeah, turn the boat on for a second. All right. Raise your hands up, push your heels down. Nope, you gotta slide more. You tried to stand up, okay? Raise your hands up, push your heels down. See, you pulled again, let me pull. You gotta be here, straight and strong. That's why we're practicing this.
You got it, Pharyn.
Hands up, push your heels down. Like that. You get to here and you'll get up. Okay? Push your heels down to here and you'll get up. Okay? Raise your hands up, push your heels down. You're trying to slide your butt a little too soon. And when you're out there, the board's not actually gonna flip. You have to flip the board up on your feet first and then slide your butt. Yep, you have to push it down. Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down. There you go, like that. Good. You start the boat, Camille. All right, raise your hands up, push your heels down. Yep, you get to there, you'll get up, okay? I'm right at a point that we gotta wait for these waves. We're gonna practice like 2 more times and then we're gonna go, okay? But that exact same thing, okay? The rope will be tight like this. You raise your hands up, push your heels down, get to there and you'll get up, okay? Okay, here we go. Let's try one more time. Ready? Push your heels down. See, about like that. Perfect. Okay, that's what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna float you out on this side of the boat, okay? And from here, I might say backstroke with your right hand or backstroke with your left hand, but you look pretty good right now. Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down.
You did good. I think you just got a little scared.
No, I just didn't stand up, and then I couldn't hold on. It was too heavy.
You actually, it's opposite. You actually tried to stand up.
Oh.
But you tried to stand up too quick, and you tried to stand up in the wrong way. So then that's why you couldn't hold on anymore, because you're trying to push all of the water between you and the boat. So hop up here real quick. Okay, I want you to stand with your feet like this, where I put them, and I'm gonna show you what I want you to do real quick. I'm gonna help you squat down. Your arms are gonna be out like this, like you're holding on here, and you're gonna practice standing up like this, because that's how you stand up. The board actually comes up like this, and then you stand up here, okay? Grab on right here, okay? Squat down, like that, and then without pulling your arms in, just stand straight up, just like that. That's how you do it. You don't pull your arms, and that's what it'll feel like when you stand up. Do it one more time, and stand up. That's what it'll feel like when you stand up, okay? All right, you can hop back down. Okay, so remember, it takes about 3 to 4 seconds. You tried to do it in about 2 seconds.
Okay.
That's why you tried to stand up too quick, okay? Let's practice again. Shove your heels down. Get to here. You can stay here for like a good 3 seconds before you try to stand up, because you're gonna stand up once the board, here, I'll show you what. The board will be about like this, and then you stand up. Okay. Right now, my legs can't support that right now, but this is what's gonna happen. The board will get to here, and then you stand up. Okay. Right now, you're trying to stand up when the board's like this. Right, yeah. No. Okay. The board has to be like this, and then you stand up. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Do it.
Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down. Yeah, that was much closer. All it is it's really wiggly, because it's like you're on ice skates right now. And so it's hard. Even pressure between both feet. Don't go like this back and forth, just like we stood up right here. Both feet, same way, standing up. You can go this way just a little bit to make it a little easier to get up. Okay, here we go. Right hand, do a backstroke. All right. Nope, you're on.
There's some pretzels right there for you.
Come here. I'm gonna put it just below the E, okay?
Okay.
About right here. I'm gonna float you out here. I gotta have you in like a good spot because I'm trying to give you the best way to get up, right? Backstroke with your right hand. There you go. Okay, grab on again. Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down. Woo! Okay, you were almost there.
Yeah.
But what happened that time is you did the one thing I said don't ever do. Pulled right here to your chest. You're like, I got like this. Do not pull here.
Okay.
You pulled and what happened? The board went shrink.
Yeah.
That's what happens every time you pull, so don't pull.
You got it, Pharyn.
Okay, raise your hands up, push your heels down. No, just relax right here. I'll get you the board, get your feet back on there.
Did I pull in again?
You're just, all it is when you get to this spot, you're trying to stand up, but what you're doing is you're putting weight here, then here, then here. What you need to do is the same thing we did here, which is you just stand up with both feet gradually, okay? So what it'll be like is like this. Nope, you slide your butt. You'll pull up and then stand up, both feet together without pulling in. Squat down again. Stand up like that. Do it again. Stand up like that. Stand up like that. Okay? Okay, squat back down and then I'm gonna slide you in. Okay. Okay, put your heels down. Stand up, stand up. Stand up. Don't pull. Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up.
Can you scoot over that way, please? All right, hey, your front foot, try to turn it so that it's 90 degrees, like that. There you go. Okay, good. Oh, don't pull, don't pull. Ah.
Let's go, Pharyn!
I didn't do it, you did it. Good job. Got up.
Yeah.
There you go. Once you're up, I want your foot straight this way, not like this. It'll balance will be better. Just what happened is you moved and then you pulled like this to your hip, and then it fell. Okay?
Gotcha.
You want to go again, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Up, but let's just get you up again real quick. Right after that one, just like riding a bike. Got to get you back on. Okay, hands up. Push your heels down. Stand up. Woo! Okay, so your front foot moves so it's over the ankle. There you go, right there, stop. Good. Okay, let go with your left hand. There you go, reach that way. Bend your knees a little bit. Bend your knees. And then what I'm trying to get you to do is have weight over your toes, which is why I'm having you lean this way. You almost went a little too much, which is why you climbed all the way over the wave. So what it is, I'm gonna have your weight forward like this, or sorry, on your front foot. Sorry, I keep saying the wrong words. I'm gonna have weight over your toes like this and weight on your front foot. So your hips are gonna come forward a little bit. And you'll put a little more weight on your front foot. Okay, raise your hands up, put your heels down. Hands up. Okay, left hand, let go with your left hand. Reach that way a little bit. Okay, front foot a little bit, reach 14. With that front hand, reach 14. There you go, like that. Bend your knees a little bit. Bend your knees a little bit. There you go. Lean forward 14 on your front foot. There it is right there. Front foot a little bit, again. Back foot. Now front foot again. Back foot. Front foot. It's actually a dance with the wave. Whatever the wave's doing, you have to react to.
Get close, but back away, right?
Yeah, you don't want to be too close to the boat, but in order to speed up, in order to actually like get with the wave, you put weight on your front foot, which you're doing really good, and you can feel it push you, right?
Yeah.
All the way up. But then you have to get on your back foot to slow down. But before you already get all the way back, you have to get back on your front foot.
Gotcha.
You were pretty good when I said let go.
Yeah.
And then when you let go, you went like this. Boom,
Yeah.
back to your back foot. You can't do that. You got to stay here when I say let go, okay? Okay, left hand. Let go with your left hand. There you go. More weight on your front foot. So reach towards the boat. There you go. Now back foot. Now front foot again. Front foot. Front. What it is sometimes you're like, oh, I got to get back on my nose or back on my front foot. You just got back on your front foot too early, so then the nose went under and you buried the nose. You have to wait just a little bit longer, and then there. It's just this balancing act right there. There's actually like 7 to 12 feet that you can surf.
Okay.
You don't have to be in like one little like 1 foot section. It's like anywhere in there, okay? Hey, and now what? We're like 4 or 5 times straight. You've gotten
Yeah.
up? Okay. Left hand. Let go with your left hand. More weight on your front foot. Okay, back foot. Now front foot again. Front. Front. Back foot. Now front. Back foot. Okay, let go. Reach to me, reach to me. Good. Back foot, back, back. Front again, reach to me. Back foot again. Reach to me, keep reaching. Keep going. There, back foot. Reach. Back foot. Reach again, reach.
Did you get it all?
Got it.
What'd you think?
We did it!
Want to see 5 things we love about our boat? Click here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.